Assalamu alaikum. Now we have to do practice now 5. Okay. According to the question, it is written, Imran is standing 10 meters away from a tree. As you know, that book is published in Singapore. So I have to change that name into Pakistani name. Okay. Look here. They are saying, suppose that one is Imran, that he is standing 10 meters away from a tree. 10 meters away from a tree. Okay. Distance of his eyes. These are obviously he is standing. So here is his eyes from the feet is 1.8. This means from his feet to his height, the distance is 1.8. So I have to write it here. 1.8. 1.8 meter. Okay. The distance between his eyes and his feet is 1.8 meter. Clear? And the distance between tree and Imran is 10 meter. Next. And eyes to top. Okay. From his eyes to the top of that tree, that distance is 14 meter. I think now that diagram is clear to all of you. And what we have to find? We have to find the height of a tree. They gave us the distance between tree and Imran is 10 meter. And the distance between his eyes and his feet is 1.8 meter. And then they are saying the distance between top of the tree and his eyes is 14 meter. And what you have to find? You have to find the height of a tree. Okay. But you have to find the height of a tree. Okay, I have to write it here. Which we have to find. We have to find the height of a tree. Wait. Yes, I want to draw a straight line for you. Okay, wait. They are saying you have to find the height of a tree. So I start from here and ends here. Okay. I have to bold that line so it will visible to you. Okay. What is the height of a tree? Okay. Here from that one. This portion we have to find. Look here. That is the top portion and that is the bottom portion. That gray line you have to find. Okay, I have to change the color. Okay, that pink line you have to find. That is the tree height. Okay. And they give you the information, the distance between tree and him, that is 10 meter. His height of his eyes and the feet distance, that is 1.8. And his eyes and the top of the tree is 40 meter. Okay, how we have to solve? Very, very, very easy. We have to solve by converting this shape into a right angle triangle. Now look at this shape. This is not a right angle because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. This means this one is a quadrilateral. So what shall I have to? I have to put a line here. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Just 1 minute. Okay. I have to take the shape. Look here. Okay. Look front. Here I put a line. Just remove it. 1 minute. That one is the height. Okay. And I want to convert this shape into Pythagoras. I want to apply Pythagoras theorem, so I have to change this shape into a right angle triangle from the top of his eyes. Yeah, that one. It's better now. Look here. Now look at this line. Okay. Just okay. Look here. Here, the distance here. This shape, look at this shape. Just wait. Okay. Look here. This shape make a 90-degree angle. Okay. Put this line here. Actually, I have to make this angle 90-degree angle. Okay. That's why I have to put this. Okay. No. This one is a shape. Look here. And in this shape, the distance between here is 10 meter. How we have to find? Because it is already given the distance between tree and Imran is 10 meter. So again, in this shape and this the line, we call this line a base line, and the measurement of baseline is 10 meter. Okay. Next, this portion where we make 90-degree angle, that portion is called perpendicular line. And here, that one is not given. So we have to say it is unknown and we have to find it. And that portion, the portion of the side that is opposite of right angle, that is called hypotenuse. I think so. This is clear to all of you. Again, look here. I have just draw a line here, and this line is called the baseline, and the measurement of the baseline is 10 meter. Then again, the side which is opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, and that one is a 40 meter. And this side which makes 90-degree angle is called perpendicular, and this one is missing, and we have to find it. This means actually we have to find the measurement of the whole tree, but up now I just want to find this portion of the tree that is from top and from here from his height to the top. This portion height we have to find. Okay, I have to change the color so it will visible that which portion we have to find. Okay. Just you have to find this portion. Okay, this one from the top to his eyes. This portion. Okay. Now we have to solve it on the next page. First of all, we have to write the theorem. That one is hypotenuse square. Okay. Very good. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay. Look here. again, look at the shape. According to the shape, we have to find actually the height of the tree, but now we have to find only the that portion of height which is from his eyes to that top of this tree. Okay, that portion only we have to find this. Okay, only we have to find that portion. This one I have to put it here. That portion just we have to find. Okay, so yeah, up till now we have to find only this portion. Okay, from his eyes to the top of the tree. So for this purpose, look here at the shape here. As you know that the distance between tree and him is 10 meters. So this means if according to this shape, the baseline is measurement is of 10 meter and the hypotenuse is 14. And that portion is given missing, and that one is perpendicular. Okay. So I have to write it here, the values. So perpendicular is missing. So here I have to again write perpendicular. Oh no. Perpendicular missing, but before writing perpendicular, I have to write this portion. Hypotenuse, that is of 14 meters square. Okay. Then I have to mention the base, that is 10 meters square. Okay. And then I have to write perpendicular, which one is missing. So we have to find. Okay. Now 14 into 14, it is equal to 196. Am I right? 196 is equal to 10 tens are 100 plus p square. I have to write p as it is. Okay. Now 100 is from here. I have to move 100 toward that side, so its sign will be changed into negative. So 190 here I put equality sign. So 196 minus 100, it is equal to 96. So okay. So 96 is equal to p square. Now I have to take square. Okay. So I have to take square root of both sides. After taking square root, I have to find the value of p. Okay. So I have to take the square root of 96. That one is equal to 9.8. Okay. But do confirm. First I have to confirm. Just I have to take the square root. Wait. Okay, it is equal to yeah, that one is 9.8. 9.79 mean 9.8. You have to rounding off. Okay, I have to write the exact value. That one is 9.79. It is equal to perpendicular. Okay, but here, what shall we do? We have to change into nearest digit. So it will, we have to write it here 9.8. Okay, so first of all, we have to write the perpendicular. We have to find the perpendicular. That one is 9.8. Now again, we comes to the diagram. This means that portion measurement is 9.8. I have to write it for you also. So it becomes easier for you to understand what we are finding. Here, that portion is, oh, that portion, just that portion is 9.8. Okay, and I have to move just, I have to move that one here. That one is 9.8. Okay, इसका font size थोड़ा सा बड़ा करते ताकि it will be visible. Okay, now we have to find perpendicular. Look here, that portion is called here. This portion is of 9.8. Okay, that is the diagram. Oh. Look here, this one is the diagram. This portion of 10 meter, I have to write this portion 10 meter. Okay, that one is called base. Hypotenuse is 14, and we have to find its perpendicular. That one is 9.8. But actual, we don't just want to find that portion of this the height of a tree. We have to find the complete height of a tree. So this means how you have to find the complete height of a tree? Very one easy. Look here, from his eyes to the top, the measurement is 9.8, and from his eyes to his feet, the measurement is 1.8. So simply we have to add 1.8 in 9.8, and then we have to get the answer. That one is the height of a tree. Is it clear? So we have to write it here. Height of a tree. We want to find the height of a tree. Of a tree. And that one is equal to measurement of, I use M for measurement. Okay, I have to write M. Measurement of distance between his eyes and top. Okay, of tree. Plus eyes and his feet. Just that sentence, I just write the complete sentence. There's no need to write it. Measurement of distance between his eyes and top of tree. And what is that measurement? You have already find that measurement is of 9.8. Okay. So height of a tree is equal to, just you have to write it here, 9.8. Okay, and eyes and his feet. And what is the measurement from his eyes to his feet? That one is given in the question. That is 1.8. Simply now you have to add both of these two. Okay, and you will get the height of a tree, and that one is equal to 11.6. 11.6 meter. That's all. Okay. I think so that one is very much easier. Look here. According to this shape, you have to find the height of a tree. First, you have to draw a line from his eyes toward that tree, and the measurement is of 10 meter. Hypotenuse is also already given, and you have to just find this portion from his eyes to that top, and that portion is of 9.8, and then you have to find from his eyes to his feet, that one is 1.8, and then when you have to add 1.8 and 9.8, you will get the measurement of the tree. Okay, that is all for today. I think so it is clear to all of you. Allah Hafiz.